Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I have a whole bunch of e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows that we're going to be swatching and testing out. So I have 4 of their classic. So first of all, what do we think of the new setup? I literally just turned my desk around, so now I'm facing the futon. I kind of just wanted to switch it up and see if I could also improve my lighting a little bit. How are we feeling? Love it? Hate it? I'm kind of indifferent at the moment, mostly because I hate the color of this wall. I think it's just the ugliest color. But I did order some temporary wallpaper that I don't have yet, so I might put it up back there. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think though. If you hate it, I can just turn my desk back around, I guess. But anyways, e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows. So I have 4 of their famous glitter formula. These have been out for quite a while actually, and they've gotten really great reviews. They've won like some makeup awards. Like I think they were like one of Allure's best of whatever, I don't know. But they just came out with a new liquid metallic formula, which I have 5 of. I'm going to do some swatches, and then I have a little bit of eyeshadow in my eyes. I just did like some matte eyeshadow. I just used my little Profusion, palette. I used these 2 shades down here, just kind of through the crease and under my lower lash line. A little bit patchy, a little bit tough to blend, but this Profusion palette is so affordable. Like this whole thing was $13 and it's like good enough, you know what I mean? And I would say that most of the shades that I've used in this one, which I haven't even used even like half of the entire palette yet. I've swatched everything, but anyways, I'm very like rambly and ADD today, I'm sorry. Let's get to the e.l.f. stuff. So anyways, I left space on the lid so that we can apply some of these guys today. The glitter formula has been out for a while. I've actually had these probably for like several months now and just haven't tried them yet. So I figured I would include them in here. This first one is purple. It's called Purple Rain, but like rain, not like the precipitation, but like the, you know, like when you're in charge of something, you rain. Anyways, not super opaque, a little bit streaky, but it's, I guess, a topper anyways, so probably no big deal. And it's definitely glittery. Okay, yeah, so you can kind of see that patchiness a little bit. Not amazing, but probably would best be used as a topper. So then I also have this one. This is called Mermaid Shimmy. That's a cute name. Okay, I feel like this one applied a little bit more even. This one's really nifty. It's like a seafoam green, which is a color that I really like. Okay, so I'm just like using my finger to kind of, I don't know, blend this stuff around. And it is kind of helping with that patchiness. It's sort of, you know, evening everything out. So there you go. And then I also have this one called Flirty Birdie. It looks like kind of a copper. Yeah, copper. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like kind of brown. That's cute. Yeah. Yeah, so if you kind of just use your finger and go over it, like tap over it a little bit, it helps with that patchiness. And then this one, I'm super excited about. This one is called Disco Queen. It looks like it's just like a silver, but it's got very rainbowy looking reflex to it, so. Whew, yeah, that would be a super fun topper. I mean, they're all pretty cute. I don't know, I feel like this purple one is just like, I don't know, it's kind of a funky color. I'm not living for it. This one's really pretty. The green one is really nice, and then that copper one's really nice too. So those are the 4 glitter ones that I have. Let me turn my light down a little bit. I'll turn off one of my lights so that you might be able to see the color better. Whoop. Cool. Why do I have an empty thing of makeup wipes in my drawer? Woohoo, glitterama on my hand now. Okay, now the 5 metallics that I got, I can't remember. I think there were like 9, maybe 10 of these metallic shades. I don't know. I got a bunch of them. I didn't mean to. I mean, I fully was in control of the situation, 100%, but anyways. Okay, so let's start with the purple one again. I was planning on using this one today Wasn't super impressed with the purple glittery one. Let's hope that the metallic looks a little bit better. This one's called Supernova. Okay, a little bit more opacity than the glitter one. Let's see if I can kind of blend it out and get it to be a little more uniform. It goes on a little bit streaky with just the brush, you know, but I feel like that's to be expected. Cute. Purple's tough. Purple's tough to get right, you know. I'm not saying that they didn't get this right or that they did get it right. I'll just see what I think of it on my lid. I think it looks okay. We'll see. Rocking that like sunburnt look today. A little much on the blush. Okay, so then I have a green one. Why do I keep buying green eyeshadows? I don't know. I know that I don't like the way green eyeshadow looks on me, but I think I just keep getting green, just hoping. Anyways, this one's called Aurora. Okay, so looks really cute, really pretty green color. This would be fun for like Christmas time, like right now time. They applied a little bit streaky, but that's just because I think they're liquid and like the brush and everything. So to kind of even it out, I went over with my finger with this purple one, just kind of like dabbed it out a little bit. And I found that it sheared the color out some, like it's evened out, but it's not totally opaque. But with the green one, I just kind of swiped it on, and then I used the brush to kind of, I just spit everywhere. And I just used the brush to kind of like dab it in place, and that kind of helped the streakiness without shearing it out. So yeah. Okay, then I also have Moon. Oh, Moon. There's like some kind of code underneath it. I was like trying to read it, and I was like, this isn't a word, but yeah, it's just called Moon. This one looks like a bronzy. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's a little warm. I'm not sure why I bought this. I like never go for colors like this, hardly ever. So I'm just going to use the brush to kind of like, so I swiped it on already, and I'm just going to kind of use the brush to do, yeah, that's good. I like that. Ooh, that's a pretty one. It's kind of like a rose gold type of moment. I like it. So then I also have the metallic one in Galaxy. This one looks kind of nifty, doesn't it? Okay, it's like a brown with a little bit of a bronzy kind of shift. This one's nifty. I like this one. Ooh. And then finally, I have Little Dipper. This one I'm most excited about. It's just a really cute pink. Cute! Love it. What a cute color. Okay. Let's do some stuff. So let me I'm gonna turn my light off again so that y'all can kind of get a look at them with a little less light. Very cute. That green is a really standout color, isn't it? It has like a gold reflect. Nifty. I really like all of them. The purple is the one that I'm least impressed with, but which is a bummer because I love purple. Time to put it on the eyes. I'm gonna start with the purple one. It was part of my plan today was to use the purple, so hopefully I end up liking it more. We'll see. I'm going to dab a little bit of this on my outer corner. Okay, I actually don't hate that. Ooh, yay. Okay, I kind of got a little out of place on this side. I'm gonna wait for it to dry down a little bit and then kind of take a brush and blend it out. It was actually not too difficult to apply this using this applicator, so it's actually a lot easier than I was expecting it to be. Okay, wonderful, wonderful, fabulous, yes, okay. Ah! Okay, then I'm gonna take the Little Dipper, the little pink one, and we're gonna go over pretty much the rest of my lid. Okay, and because I don't wanna get pink or I don't want to get purple on my pink applicator. I'm just going to take my finger and see if I can blend this line here between the two of them. It's not really blending. We'll kind of give that a minute to settle and we'll come back to it and see if I can get it to blend better. Okay, this side blended okay. Let's see if I can blend this side now. I just feel like the line is a little harsh and I want it to blend a little bit. It definitely is blending better once it dried down a little bit. I'm gonna add a little more pink here. This side actually blended pretty good, I feel like. Yeah, that side actually looks good. So we just need to put in a little more work on this side. In the meantime, I shall take my blending brush and kind of fix my crease a little bit. Kind of got that purple a little too high up into my crease. Yeah, that helped a lot. My lipstick matches my nails. Okay, let me blend this side a little bit. Okay, that looks good, right? This side still looks better blended than the other side. So what do we think? I'm of course gonna do liner and lashes, but okay. So then for the sake of trying all of, or both of the different textures, I'm going to take a little bit of the Disco Queen glitter formula. So the two that I just put on my lid were the metallics. And I'm just going to do a little bit of her right on the inner corner. You know, the inner corner. You know the corner? The corner. The inner corner. Okay, I think I liked it better before I did that, honestly, but I am surprised at the opacity of this because it did totally pretty much cover the pink that was there, right? And you know what? While we're at it, this is Supernova. That's the metallic. I'm gonna put some of the purple glitter over the purple in my outer corner because I kind of want to see what that does. I don't really think it did much of anything, just make it a little bit shinier. I should probably stop. I should probably put these down and walk away and be done before I ruin everything. Okay, that's a cute look, no? I'm gonna put on lashes real quick, I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with some lashes on. I took a little bit of that Disco Queen glitter formula and I didn't think about this until after I had already done it on one of my eyes, but it's glitter, so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if it's okay to like get so like up close and personal with my actual eyeball with these. I don't know, but I think it looks really good. And I actually really like the way the look turned out. I like it. My eye is about to start watering. Pooh! Please don't. It's always this one too. This eye always starts watering like right after I finish putting on my makeup. Anywho, so yeah, I definitely like these guys. I think I like the metallics more than I like the glitter formula. The metallics are just more opaque and I like that. They blended fine. I just would say wait until they dry down a little bit before you start blending. They didn't really blend well. When they were still wet, they just kind of moved instead of blended. So just let it dry down and then you can kind of blend them together, and I think they blended out fine. My lash glue is taking its sweet time drying. The glitter formula is really cute too. I actually really like this Disco Queen one. I think it's a really nice touch on the inner corner. And like I said, I was kind of surprised by how opaque it was. The purple, I'm gonna have to play with some more, but the other two seem like they're gonna be cute. I think the purple will be fine. I did put a little bit of it on my outer corner, but you can't even really tell because I wore a big old lash today. All right, so let me know what's up, you guys, down in the comments. Let me know what you think of the new setup. Let me know what you think of these little e.l.f. liquid shadows. By the way, they're $5 each, so very affordable little bunch of metallic eyeshadows, and yeah, I like them a lot. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.